love for clothes. Brought to you by Philips Garment Steamer.
So speaking of trends, this is a very fun segment, the next segment, which is there are certain trends which are associated with celebrities.
Yes, yes.
Our next segment, Philips Garment Steamer, love for clothes.
Okay.
So
Yes.
obviously I'll tell you a kind of hint of, like the kind of crazy trend that celebrity has, and you have to guess the celebrity.
Okay.
And of
Got
course,
it.
then there's a beautiful hamper that you're going to get.
Awesome.
So the first one is trending है इनका scarf और गले में plant. मुंबईया भाषा ये करते हैं flaunt.
I love that guy. Apna Bidu. Jackie Shroff Dada. Jackie Dada is so cool. I follow him and I
Yeah.
think he gives the
He's the
best,
best.
Lines. सांस ले भाई सांस ले.
Yeah.
I love that. I think इतना अच्छा ज्ञान और
Yeah.
इतने cool way में कोई नहीं देता.
And he's
I
like,
love-
he's so good looking, and the way he is such a charmer.
I love him.
Absolutely. He can rock anything, be it a ghagra or a choli, with XL size confidence that's never lowly.
It's a he.
It's
Yeah.
a he.
He. Who else?
Ghagra and a choli.
Who else? Ranveer Singh?
I think so,
Oh
na?
my god, I love it.
He can wear a ghagra, and I think he can just do that
And the
dance
choti
effortless.
here, and he will
Crazy.
be hot and cool at the same time with super energy.
Yeah,
My god,
I
he
think
does
it's
it.
the energy and he's so
Confidence.
magnetic
Yeah.
that he
And
looks
very-
hot even in a ghagra.
Yeah, and very spontaneous. I love
Yeah,
it.
amazing. Inka fashion BHP and style full throttle. His garage is his wardrobe and his smile is fatal.
ये टफ है.
A style full throttle.
मतलब थोड़ा throttle.
हाँ,
ऐसा वो वाला चल रहा है.
शायद, हाँ, I don't know.
Who are
कौन
the
हो
bike
सकता है
bike
ये यार?
lovers?
BHP.
ऐसा वाला सब है ना
हाँ,
सब.
John Abraham.
मेरे को लगता है.
हाँ,
Yeah, that one-sided charming smile na with the dimple.
हाँ,
It
yeah.
could
and
be
his
John
wardrobe
Abraham.
is his garage.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
him,
I
na?
think it's him. Correct.
John Abraham.
John Abraham.
Woo!
You know everyone, Shreya.
John Abraham, I did one of the first shows internationally in Holland, Suriname, where he was very new from JISM, and I just remember he was very genuinely sweet and helping out and
So
giving me, of course, giving me health fitness tips and what you
Fitness
should
tips.
eat and what you should not. So he doesn't even.
We are foodies.
But I remember the kind of love the girls had for him.
Of course.
Every time he would enter the stage, he would enter on a bike and वो निकलता था literally with scratch marks,
God.
nails and full
All the women, yeah.
shirt gone here and there.
My
So
God.
it was quite a rage, and he still is.
Yeah, absolutely. Disco के king with gold का bling. बनाए ऐसे गाने till today we sing.
एक ही है.
एक ही है.
One and only Bappi Da.
One and only. Outstanding. I have to give it to you, huh?
एकदम.
That you have done this so well and you got everybody.
Yeah, because I silently
Following
stalk all the
every-
trends. I may not talk about it or do anything, but I do follow everyone.
That's amazing. So you get this lovely, lovely hamper.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.